Welcome to my channel Speedline Auto. Today, we're diving into a machine that completely redefines luxury, status, and power on the road. This isn't just an SUV, it's an experience. Meet the all-new 2026 Lexus LX 600 VIP Edition. It's bold, it's massive, and yes, it absolutely feels like a mansion on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the LX 600 makes a statement. The front grille is unapologetically aggressive, framed by ultra-sharp LED headlights that slice through the dark with precision. Its muscular stance and 22-inch forged alloy wheels hint at power, while chrome accents and a smooth aerodynamic body scream class. But it's when you step inside that things get truly insane. This isn't just an interior, it's a private VIP lounge. Soft touch materials wrap every surface, while semi-aniline leather seats offer heating, cooling, massage, and even recline like first-class airline pods. Rear passengers, you get captain chairs with an extended center console, wireless charging, individual climate control, and dual 11.4-inch entertainment screens. It's a luxury suite on four wheels. At the center of the dash is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, floating above a separate 7-inch climate display and digital gauge cluster. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 25-speaker Mark Levinson surround system. It's all here, and it sounds like a live concert every time you hit play. And that ambient lighting, pure elegance. But don't let the luxury fool you. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 pushing 409 horsepower and 479 pounds-ft of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This beast glides effortlessly at high speeds, but roars with authority when you need it to. Whether you're on a city street or a rocky trail, the adaptive suspension and full time for WD system ensure the LX 600 handles like royalty. Lexus also didn't hold back on tech and safety. You get everything: a head-up display, 360-degree camera, blind spot monitor, lane keeping assist, radar cruise control, the full Lexus safety system, plus you're wrapped in intelligence and innovation every mile. Storage is massive. The ride is whisper quiet, and the craftsmanship is beyond premium. Every stitch, every material, every button feels like it belongs in a private jet. So, is the 2026 Lexus LX 600 VIP Edition worth the hype? Absolutely. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury SUV that blends raw power, modern tech, and executive class comfort, this is it. It doesn't just take you places, it arrives with presence, power, and prestige. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Speedline Auto for more luxury car content, deep dives, and first look reviews. This was the 2026